Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how to install WordPress locally on your PC. Make sure you have installed Xampp control panel using the link on the description. Now let's get started. Please subscribe to my channel. First open Xampp control panel. Start both Apache and MySQL and make sure they are running. Open your browser and type on the URL bar wordpress.org to download WordPress. Click on Get WordPress button and download the latest version of WordPress. Here the latest version is 6.2.2. WordPress is downloaded successfully. Now go to File Explorer and locate the file to downloads. Mine is in Downloads and in the compressed folder. Right-click on the file and click on the Extract All to extract the zip folder and wait for the extraction process. It may take some few minutes. Meanwhile, the extraction process is running. Let's set up the database. Go back to your browser and on the URL bar type myadmin to open the databases section on Xampp. We are here at myadmin and let's create the database. Click on the new button. Wait for it to load, then write the name of your database and click create button to create the database. Mine, I called it WordPress.
You can copy the name of the database by highlighting it and using Ctrl+V. The extraction process is already done. Copy the WordPress folder and paste it on the local disk, Xampp, docs directory. This may take a while. The file has been copied to the docs directory and that's complete. Now let's set up the WordPress. Now go back to the browser and on the URL bar type localhost/WordPress to start setting up WordPress. Click on Let's Go. Fill in the exact database name, the one we created earlier and copied its name. Next, fill in the username as root and the rest leave as default if it's the first time to install WordPress. Next, click on the Run the Installation button to successfully install WordPress. This may take some time. Next, fill out the site title, your username, password and your email and click Install WordPress button. WordPress installed successfully. Congratulations for installing WordPress locally. Now click on the Login button and log into the WordPress admin dashboard and start setting up your first WordPress website. Here you can create or install themes for your website on the Appearance side nav menu. Also you can install plugins and many more. Thank you for watching the video. Next video I will be showing how to set up and create your first website on WordPress. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.